In last class, we have discussed about functions defined by arrow diagram and functions defined as a set of order pair. Okay, now we are going to discuss functions defined by an equation. See the example. There is one equation here, x plus y is equal to 7. Now this equation is a function or not? Is function or not, we have to verify. So how to verify this equation is a function? Look here, what is the degree of x here? Degree of x is 1. What is degree of y? Degree of y also 1. To check the function for any equation, always check the degree of y. If degree of y is always 1, it is always a function. See here how we can solve here. See, from this equation, y is equal to how much? Move x here, 7 minus x. Okay, x is equal to 7 minus x. Okay, x is equal to 7 minus x. Now I will take here some values, here x and here y. Y is equal to how much? 7 minus x. Now I will give some numbers. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Check y. If x is equal to 1, y how much? 7 minus 1, that is 6. So 1 having only one answer, 6. If I give you x is equal to 2, y how much? 7 minus 2, that is 5. So 2 having only one image, 5. If I give you 3, then y how much? 7 minus 3, that is 4. If I give you 4, so y is equal to 7 minus 4, that is 3. See, for every input I have only one output. For every input I have only one output. Why I have only one output? Because the degree of y is always 1, so I have only one output. Okay, so for every input there is only one output, so this equation defines a function. This equation defines a function. So blindly you can remember, if the degree of y always 1, then it is always a function. It is always a function. Understand? One more example also I will give, you just wait. Okay, now see one more example. X square plus 2y is equal to 4. X square plus 2y is equal to 4. Now what is the degree of y? Degree of y is only 1. Okay, so first we will solve this equation. 2y is equal to how much? Bring this x square here, 4 minus x square. Now divide with 2. Divide with 2. Now how much you will get? Y is equal to 4 minus x square by 2. Now take some numbers. So this is x and this is y. Take some numbers, 0, 1, 2, simple numbers. Now use here in place of y. Y is equal to 4 minus, use 0, 0 square by 2. So 0 square is 0, 4 by 2 means 2. So for input 0, I am getting output only one number 2. Now give input 1. So y is equal to 4 minus 1 square by 2. 1 square means 1. 4 minus 1, 3. That means 3 by 2. I am getting answer 3 by 2. So for input 1, I am getting answer 3 by 2. Now give input 2. Y is equal to 4 minus 2 square by 2. 2 square means 4. 4 minus 4. That is 0 by 2 means 0. So I am getting answer 0. So for 0 input, I am getting output 2. For 1 input, I am getting output 3 by 2. For 2 input, I am getting 1 output. So for every input, only one output. So this is also a function. This is also a function. When function, it is not a function. When the given function is not, that also we can see one more example. If the function is like this, x square plus y square is equal to 9. See here the degree of y is 2. Degree of y is equal to 2. Then for y, degree 2 means always it is not a function. Why? Look here. Y square is equal to how much? 9 minus x square. 9 minus x square. Okay, then y how much? Y means you'll get here plus or minus root 9 minus x square, right? So if you take square root here, you'll get here plus minus. Why, teacher, plus minus? See, for example, x square minus 1 equal to 0. Then for this equation, x having how many degree? 2. Then it has two solutions. If I write x is equal to 1, see here, 1 square minus 1, 0. 0 is equal to 0. It is true, right? If I write x is equal to minus 1, minus 1 square minus 1. Minus 1 square means 1. 1 minus 1 also 0. So for x is equal to 1, the equation is true. For x is equal to minus 1 also equation true. So I have two solutions, 1 and minus 1, because degree is 2. If degree is 2, I have two solutions, right? So for every input you will get two outputs. For example, if I write this is x and this is y, okay? If I write x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, tell me how much here? Square root of 9 minus 0. Y is equal to plus or minus square root of 9 minus 0. So how much here? Plus or minus square root of 9 means 3. So I will get 3 and minus 3. So for 0, I have two outputs, 3 and minus 3, right? So for one number, I have two outputs, two images. Image is always only one, but I am getting two images. For 0, image is 3, and for 0, image is minus 3. So this is not a function. This is not a function. So how to remember? If degree of the function is always 1, always it is a function. If degree of any function that is 2, it is always not a function. It is not a function. Okay, so like this we can find functions using arrow diagram, using set of order pairs, and using an equation. Students, now we are going to discuss about functions by vertical line test. Vertical line means like this, like y-axis. So this line is called a vertical line. This is vertical line. So using this line, now we can say the given graph is a function or not, using vertical line. See the graph. This is first graph, and one more graph I will sketch here. This is second graph. Okay, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now see here, I will take another color. Now I have two graphs, here one graph and here one graph. Now using this vertical line, we can check this graph is a function or not. Vertical line, that means you have to draw vertical line anywhere for the graph. See here, if I draw vertical line like this, you can draw anywhere, for this graph. You can draw anywhere for this graph. Then see, the graph is crossing the vertical line at how many points? See here the graph is crossing the vertical line using vertical line. How many points? Here only 1 point. Here only 1 point. So the graph touches the vertical line only at one place. Only at one place. So this is a function. This is a function. See the second graph. If I draw vertical line like this, if I draw vertical line like this, I will take another color, just wait. If I draw vertical line like this, anywhere you can draw. If you draw anywhere, then see how many places it is crossing. How many places it is crossing. Here and here, 2 places. Here and here, it is 2 places. Here and here. So the vertical line crossing the graph at 2 places. That's why this is not a function. This is not a function. Using vertical line to verify the given graph is a function or not, the vertical line cross the graph only at one place. Only at one place. Then only this is a function. Otherwise the graph is not a function. Otherwise the graph is not a function. See one more example. Suppose the graph is like this. I change the color. The graph is, for example, like this. This is my graph. Okay. Now use vertical line test. Use vertical line test to check the graph is a function or not a function. See here, I will draw vertical line. Anywhere you can draw. You can draw vertical line anywhere. You can draw vertical line anywhere. Now see at how many places it is touching the graph. The vertical line touching the green graph, green curve only at one place. Only at one place. Only at one place. So this is a function. This is a function. So using vertical line test, you can verify the given graph is a function or not. Just draw vertical line anywhere. I am telling you, anywhere you can draw. Not only this place, you can draw anywhere. You can draw anywhere. Check how many places it is crossing. It is crossing only one place, then it is a function. If it is crossing more than one place, then it is not a function. Okay. So verifying the given function using vertical line. So vertical line means like this. This is a y-axis. So this line is called vertical line. Okay. Thank you.